So I'm excited because today we are going to be making energy bars. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lise Monique and I hope that you stick around. And if you guys like what you see, please subscribe. Before we make them, I just wanted to discuss just a couple things. On my channel, because it's a newer channel, you know how they always tell you to niche down. I can't. It's not that I can't. I choose not to niche down. Like, we as women, we're so multifaceted. We have so many interests. We have a lot of things that we have to do. We have a lot of responsibilities on our shoulders as well. So I find that I want my channel to help women that is what I love to do. So my channel is going to be on, doing a little bit of fashion, doing beauty, and of course gardening. I'm a huge avid gardener. Like, I love gardening. To me, that is my space where I feel like, I don't know, I just feel really peaceful doing it. Hello, lovelies. Seeds, and I love it. And there's something about working with the soil and growing vegetables. I love it especially as well because when you give vegetables away, they're organic and you're giving them away, you're giving some goodness, and I really like that. So without further ado though, let's make these, because these are so tasty and they're made with Hemp Hearts. They're easy to make. You do not have to cook them. There's no cooking involved. It's mainly keeping them in the fridge or keeping them in the freezer. Super healthy for you. I know for me, in the afternoons before dinner, I get that little urge, like I gotta eat something, and a lot of times it's really easy to grab chips for me. So I love these. I think these are a great thing to make. I hope you stay tuned and let's make them together. They're the perfect snack you can keep in your freezer or in your fridge, and they're made with Hemp Hearts. This is so healthy. I'll put down all the nutritional values on these energy bars, but the thing that I like about them is there's no fuss. Like, they're easy to make. There's no cooking involved. You just freeze them. These energy bars, if you leave them in an airtight container in your fridge, you can leave them up to a week. If you want, which I do, is I will freeze most of the batch I make, and then you can have it in your freezer 4 to 8 weeks. I am so glad you guys are here today. So normally you would make these energy balls, these Hemp Heart energy balls with, a food processor, but mine kicked the can. I don't know how else to tell you that, but mine, went on the fritz. I am ordering another one. I am looking at different ones because, I really did like mine, but it's time for a new one. If you guys have any suggestions on a new one, be sure to let me know. If not, I'll be doing a lot of research and seeing ones that I like, because there's ones that have so many features, I don't know. But so today I'm going to be using this, and this is my Ninja. This I always make protein shakes on and stuff like that. It's, you can put frozen fruit in here, and some almond milk or water even, and your protein powder and some fresh bananas, and you mix it up and you can make it. So this blender is excellent. But I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna see how it does. So the ingredients you need. Okay, the main ingredients, I guess I should talk about, is Hemp Hearts. I really want to talk about chocolate, but yes, Hemp Hearts. Super healthy for you. It has like 10 grams of protein per serving. That's pretty powerful. They're just super healthy, super good too. I'm gonna leave the recipe as well, so it's easy. But you need Hemp Hearts, You need some unsweetened coconut. You need some dark chocolate. I am using, what was at the grocery store, this Lind, 90%. I'm using that. You need about a third of this size. This is 100 grams, you need about 30 grams. Broke it up into little pieces. So I am going to see how this Ninja is gonna work. It does great with my, like I was saying, my protein shakes, but I'm gonna find out. So you need a cup of pitted prunes. Now what you have to do is you have to mix this, and you have to mix it until it forms a ball. I'm gonna add in the 6 tablespoons of your Hemp Hearts cocoa powder, unsweetened coconut. And you need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And yes, I'm gonna not use a pinch, I'm gonna actually measure it out. But now this is optional, dark chocolate. I'm using my coconut oil, and I am going to do 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil. Just get that in there. Now that I put everything in there, if you're finding it a little dry, you can add water. 1 to 3 tablespoons of water is fine. Yeah, you know what? It's pretty good. I'm gonna have a bowl, dump it in here and see what I got, but it'll be fine. I've made this so many times. This makes 12 small, 6 larger balls. So you can see it's a little bit crumbly. So what we have to do is just add a little bit of water. I'm just going to see what I got here. And when you are rolling these, you just want to roll it on some parchment paper lined pan. Let me just see. Yeah. No, you know what? This is perfect, and it looks like my same ones. It's super healthy. And you just roll them. These are so delicious. You can double batch this as well. I double batch. You can melt some more chocolate, roll it in there. I tend to roll mine in coconut. Completely optional, of course. These are super cute because I would say these are medium size. This is a nice size. I can get like 1 or 2 bites out of it. And, well, maybe 3. Not 1. I would choke. Just kidding. I got 9 out of here because I didn't want them too small and I didn't want them too big. So, I thought it was just right. Kind of like the 3 bears. I'm just kidding. Anyways, I'm really glad you guys came today. And if you like what you see, I'm going to be putting up lots of different things. I'm actually so excited because next week, well, I actually have things on the dock. I am doing a terrarium from the start to finish, and it's a great way of bringing, the outdoors in because I really miss the gardening right now. I'm doing that, and I have a huge fashion haul coming up that's super exciting. And yes, and I guess let's see what else while I'm rolling these in unsweetened coconut. I've been at the kitchen table for a year and a bit. Working on my small business here. And I gotta tell you, I have enjoyed every single minute of it. And was it easy all the time? No. Is it still easy? No. And I'm not trying to say anything because I have loved it. Absolutely loved it. Anyways, I've been at the kitchen table for about a year. And I am so excited because I finally am doing some renovations in an old bedroom. I'm turning 2 bedrooms into 1 office space, so I'm super excited about it. And that's being started at the end of January. So there'll be lots of little tours and stuff and hopefully some DIYs along there. Yeah, I'm really excited about it. And look at how cute these are. I just want to let you know that supporting me, I appreciate it. Like you coming on and giving your time to me, time is valuable. So I really appreciate it. I know that I'm working really hard to try and produce good content, create good content. I think every time I do a video, it's becoming a little bit more easier, and then I'm, hopefully producing better. But I am going to be bringing you so many things. Give me a chance to show you who I am, what I'm about. It's always about building others and go from there. So I hope you subscribe. If you make this recipe and you try it out, just leave a comment and let me know how you liked it. I know, I know that this recipe is super easy, but that's what I like about it. So remember, you put it in the freezer, it can stay 4 to 8 weeks in your fridge in an airtight container up to a week. This quantity, it's not going in my freezer. When I double batch them, like I'll make 2 batches at a time, that's no problem. I was a little concerned because I had to use my Ninja. But you know what? It did quite well. So, sometimes you have to, use what you got at home. So thank you for watching. If you're still watching at the end of this, and I'll see you in a few days. Thanks. Bye.